Come with me across the road. So we came in time. Okay. So then they're all heading up. Let's go. So it's very windy right now. I apologize if there's any wind noises, but so as we just jumped off the car, we saw the Lambo, the Mercy doors opening and the car starting out. So we just jumped out. Then I think this is a Novitec 8 F8. Novitec F8. Yeah, I never get photos of for Instagram, but at least you caught them. Yo, unbelievable. The M2 there. Yeah, we got that. Yeah, everything is left, and there's also a matte black Urus there. Yeah, sorry for the wind noise, but there's a matte black Urus there in Radisson. Yeah. Wow. Done by Steltune. Step stage down here.
That's an M4, bruh. CS!
See.
Hell no.
With a black box. This cross the road. We got a Urus and a Rolls Royce down here. Ooh. 26.